Alright. Now, this is one guy, one screwdriver.
I don't know what I'm looking at right now. I can't do the baby. That is sick. Oh, ew, that is sick.
Restarting video right now. Restarting video. What the fuck is in that? No.
Oh, that's disgusting.
What is that?
Blood!
Why is it in the tub?
No, because he's a fucking weirdo! Why would you do that?
Oh my god.
Let's see the video.